Okay, here we go. It's a behind the scenes. Take a look at another great project we're starting. Demo has been done. We pulled up the floors and it's kind of fun to see what happens. And we're going to take that stair railing out, and we're really only doing the floors and the kitchen and the back patio. We have a 3-inch problem here. The floor slopes from where you see the subfloor out to the patio doors. So we literally have to level that part, which gives me a 3-foot cement slab that we have to figure out how to install the floors on each side of it with subfloors. The ceiling is literally that far off from, my gosh, it's again 3 inches off. So we're leveling the ceiling, we're leveling the floor. We took out a soffit. I don't know, you can probably see it attached. There was this big soffit that was attached with this kind of obnoxious, hanging cabinet over the island. And so found out that we can run our electric under the conduits in the floor, have a gas pipe to take out. But nice part is that there's hard ducts for the hood and the washer dryer. We're very excited. And now let's take a quick look at the patio. Here, we have a patio in the making. We've ripped it all out, and we actually have found the drain because it's higher in the back side of it. We're going to put all new cedar fencing here. And this is a porcelain tile, 24 by 24, which we just love, and we've had a hard time finding it. New lights, 2 left, 2 right, and 2 back. And then the outlets. And we're going to talk about a ring, security, at least a video and alarm there. But ciao for now. We'll see you on the next.